What's going on, guys? So in today's video we're finally going to be installing some window tint. So I have been rocking the no window tint look for a minute now, and honestly I have not enjoyed it at all. A couple benefits that y'all probably seen in another video, but majority just negatives. And to be honest, I mean, look at the truck. The truck is, it's just, it don't even look as good. Of course you get at the angles, you know, and it looks like it's got tint or whatever, but yeah, gonna be installing some new window tint courtesy of precutautotint.com. Giving it a shot myself for this one. Hopefully I do it good, better than Larry's, that's for sure. Larry's still rocking the solid 2% tint, which I need to do some like videos showing y'all how that is or whatever. Hopefully I even have the materials to do this. Currently we're on statewide lockdown, so you know, can't do that much, but thankfully window tint did come in, and so we're gonna slap that on there. So which route do you think I went? I had a lot of people comment saying, good, I'm glad you got pulled over, take the tint off and put legal tint on there and go about your day. And had a lot of people saying, it's dumb that you got pulled over, you should take the tint off, get it signed off, and then do even darker tint. So did I go the dumb dark 2% route, or did I go the legal route? Pause the video right now and go comment. So to some of your surprises, I went with 35% window tint. So let me, before you jump off the video, no, I've not chickened out. Definitely going to be going dark again. But you do know on this video I like trying things, and I've been wrong in the past. I've always said I didn't believe it was worth paying 150 bucks or whatever it is, 100 bucks, to get legal tint put on your windows. I just have always ran 5%. So I've never ran legal tint. But with the 5% on the back too and on the rear, I figured let's give it a shot. And the main reasoning is, during all of this virus crap, I don't want to get pulled over again for something dumb like window tint. So for the time being, while this is going on, I'm perfectly fine rocking the potentially light tint for a little bit, but it's going to be interesting to see how it is with the dark tint in the back. So yes, I did go with 35%. I know. Let's go ahead and get started. Before we even get into it, I just want to say I am no professional here. I barely even know what I'm doing. I don't even really have the right tools or things to even do this with, but I'm gonna do it, okay? And unfortunately this is looking pretty 35 is looking depressingly see-through. Crying right now, but like I said, most likely just temporary. Just wanted to get something on there so it wasn't like, I don't know, completely clear. A little bit of UV protection and a little bit of shade. We'll see how dark it is matched up with everything. It'll definitely be better than just clear. You can see perfectly through it. But I'm about to peel this off, and I hope the solution that I have to spray on here is the right thing, because I've got it in a window cleaner bottle. But I do believe it says glass cleaner, but I think I remember putting the solution in here last time when I did it on Larry. I could totally be wrong, and I could totally ruin my tint real quick, which if that's the case, I will cry and probably still make this video exposing myself because I messed up and I don't really have much content to make right now due to everything going on. So this is going up either way. But look at that bug. Come on, we trying to keep our tint clean, debris free. I probably should shut this. It appears to be somewhat right. Also been spent a long time trying to get all the crud out of the corners of the windows, so hopefully that doesn't mess me up too bad too. Professional tint guys, prepare to cringe. That ain't even worth doing. All right, so you're telling me people actually like this? What? It's like no. It's like, it's like literally no different. This versus this. Boy, that is dumb. I thought 35 would be at least darker than this. Good Lord. That's freaking pathetic. Maybe it's just because that light's shining directly through the front windshield. Maybe? I don't really know. I guess I'm gonna go ahead and knock the other side out and we'll pull this thing out and see what it's like. Let's just take a moment to see how mean the front of these freaking trucks look. No bug guard on Larry has definitely grown on me. Looking pretty freaking good, if I do say so. Might put it back on, but it's grown on me. First glance, it might actually be decent. I don't know if it's just the lighting. It's getting a little more dusked, but it's better than I thought. There's a couple places I see I need to go and try to smooth out, but yes, I can see in. But there is a pretty decent reflection going on to where you can't see in perfectly good. And hopefully I won't get pulled over for this, but I know for a fact it's 35%. So there's no way they can ticket me. They can pull me over and check it. But I mean, you can definitely see in if this is definitely legal, but it is better than I was thinking it was going to be from in there. Obviously at certain angles like this where the sun's directly on the other side, you can see through it pretty easily, but from at least any of the side profile angles it darkens up pretty good. So truck definitely looks a lot better now. A little bit of tint on there. It's not great, temporary for sure, but I mean, for 35%, I guess it's pretty decent. Let's look through it real quick. Have a little comparison. So that's 35%, and that's 5%. So the reflection, it's a pretty strong reflection, but you can see through it pretty easily. All right, guys, well, that's gonna do it for this video. Hopefully you did enjoy. Comment down below what you thought I was going to get. Did I make a mistake going the legal route, or do you think for the time being was this the smart move? I personally still think it was the smart move. Obviously, play it safe right now. We got a whole lot going on in the world, even though there's not really that much driving the truck around. Still, obviously, it's still on the radar for them wanting to give tickets out for. So legal tint it is for the time being. Definitely ready to get it professionally redone, and little bit of the mind your own business kind of dark tint, but for the time being is definitely much better than no tint at all. So I'll update y'all, see how it's doing a couple days, let it dry or whatever, see if it survives, see how good of a job I did. Probably did terrible, probably gonna pull it off. All right, so I will already admit it is nice being in here, being a little bit darker, sun's not blaring through. But yeah, it's already pretty enjoyable in here. Definitely better than it was. Honestly, not that bad. I just have to keep reminding myself that people can't see me because I've got this false sense of no one can see me while I'm in here, so I'll be looking at people weird or doing different stuff like that. And then I have to remember, oh yeah, they can see through this in most cases. As you can see, like this, when we're on this side of the sun, it's pretty dark. Pretty dark, looks pretty dang good, not gonna lie.